Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back here with healthy breakfast recipes, chia seed pudding. These are the morning treats. I mean, look at this. My mouth is watering. What about you? Chia seeds are loaded with nutrients that can have important benefits for our body and brain. It contains fiber, protein, good fat, calcium, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus. It's a great source of antioxidants. It helps us to lose weight. Today I'm sharing with you guys two different types of chia pudding recipes: choco banana chia pudding and fruits and nuts chia pudding. I'm taking here airtight container. At first, adding chia seeds, milk. You can choose any milk of your choice, honey, cocoa powder, cinnamon powder, vanilla essence. Now giving it a good mix. Adding some homemade peanut butter. I will share the homemade peanut butter recipe link in description below. Mixing all this together. Now I'm gonna soak this for minimum 30 minutes with lid on. Look at this now. Chia seed absorbed all the liquid ingredients. Adding one whole sliced banana, some strawberries as toppings, and some walnuts for extra crunch. You can add anything of your choice. I like it in this way. So yeah, my choco banana chia seed puddings is ready to enjoy. Taking airtight container. At first, adding chia seeds into this container. Adding some almond milk. I like to add almond milk into this recipe specially. You can add any plant-based milk into this. Adding honey, cinnamon powder, vanilla essence. Mixing all this together. I'm gonna soak this for minimum 30 minutes with lid on. After 30 minutes, you can see the chia seeds totally soaked and become fluffy. Now I'm adding into this some sliced apples, grapes, kiwi, strawberries, some sliced almonds, raisins. My fruits and nuts chia seed pudding is ready to eat. It's looking super colorful and delicious. So now you know some healthy chia pudding recipes, then give yourself a good morning healthy yummy treat. Hope you like these recipes, then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family, and let me know in comment below what kind of breakfast you really like to enjoy at morning. And please do subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you guys. Stay fit. Stay healthy.